Hey guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel Login8, and in today's video I'm gonna show you how to create and use live stickers on iPhone. So now without any further ado, let's begin with the steps. So first of all, launch iMessage on your iPhone. Now once you are here, just tap open any conversation. So as I open this conversation, at the bottom left corner of your screen, you can see a plus icon. Now, simply tap on that plus icon. Here we go. Now, simply tap on the option of stickers. Now, over here, all you have to do is simply tap on that plus icon at the left-hand corner again. With that, your gallery will be opened. Now, over here, choose any photo you wish to make a sticker out of it. So, for now, as I chose this photo, you can see that the subject has automatically been highlighted. Now simply tap on Add Sticker option at the bottom right corner, right over here. Okay, here we go. Now once you are here, you'll see a pop-up just above your sticker. Now if you tap on the option of Add Effect, you can add various effects to your sticker. So let me select one of these effects. Now once you have selected the effect, simply tap on Done. Now, in order to use this sticker, just simply tap on the sticker you want to send. You can even add certain comment. You can also add emojis if you wish to. After this, all you have to do is simply tap on the green button that has upward arrow on it. That is the option of send. So if you tap on send, you will successfully be able to send your live sticker to your contacts. And that's all for today. If you found this video helpful and informative, don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel.